You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer. Yo! You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with J Blunt. Yes, man, J Blunt. If you're not familiar with that name, there's something wrong with it. This name has been around in the music for a while. Big up yourself, J Blunt. Yes, man, with the letter. Part 1 and 2. When I say 2, because you know what I'm saying about you. A joke. Part 1 and part 2, the letter. I'm excited because I like a story. I like a story. As you can tell enough story over here. So I'm going to jump in that one, man. Let's go, man. J Blunt, big up new rule of music. Big up yourself, my fam. Respect to you, sir. Let's jump in that one. It's a music video. Let's go, J Blunt. That gas music entertainment, big up yourself.
I say, I want to do a tune about foreign and the struggles over here. Something like, in the foreign, it's hard to survive with one job. Ask my granddad, bills of it like sandbag. So if you call and beg, we a thing, and we tell her we not have it, no go talk about with and bad. Foreign no easy, foreign hard. That bad still, you know. I want something different.
Yo, do it, my fam, do it. Bucklat. Me can relate. Me can blood clot relate to this. Me like a story. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Guys, listen to me. Listen to me. If you don't like a story like me, I'm going to drop that one. I'm going to pin it in the chat, in the comment section. It's going to be pinned at the top. Go down there. Go tell the G, say, I'm telling you over there. So go support the G. Support the G music, man. If you don't like it, support it. Let's go.
And the struggles over here. Something like, in the foreign, it's hard to survive with one job. Ask my granddad, bills of it like sandbag. So if you call and beg, we a thing, and we tell her we not have it, no go talk about with and bad. Foreign no easy, foreign hard. That bad still.
Yeah.
I feel like more something different still, like more write a letter or something like that. Yeah.
Both of them bad. Part 1.
J Blunt.
J Blunt.
The one are different. Write a letter to Jamaica.
Letter!
More piece of paper.
Want a bigger paper than that, my fam?
Alright.
You want a whole encyclopedia, a book?
The one you know.
Ready?
Dear Jamaica, more you know me never leave you. Me come a foreign at the time because me need to. Make a way for my family and me see to. But while me over here, you know a couple girl are breathe to.
Blood clot. Can I relate or can I relate? Yes, I can fucking relate.
Ask my granddad, bills of it like sandbag. So if you call and beg, we a thing, and we tell her we not have it, no go talk about
we done bad.
Foreign no easy,
foreign hard.
That bad still, you know.
Yo, I really think the man talking to that. More time you fly out for better.
Yeah.
And just get caught up in our life where you just have to just live it out. Yeah, man.
J Blunt. Do that one are different.
Yeah, man.
Write a letter to Jamaica. More piece of paper. Alright.
Let me know what you guys think about this one though, for real. Let's go.
Dear Jamaica, more you know me never leave you. Me come a foreign at the time because me need to. Make a way for my family and me see to. But while me over here, you know a couple girl are breathe to.
Yeah.
So I'm married and I try get my papers.
Yeah.
Me never come here for ton time wasters.
No.
Me no really par with no Jamaicans. Cause most of them pussy they are haters.
Bumbleclot. What more can I say? What more? This is something I've been preaching to myself a long time. Most Jamaicans are foreign. Well, most Jamaicans are foreign. Well, yeah. Most Jamaicans are foreign. A pussy wall. Yes, I'm making hear me say. Most Jamaicans are foreign. A pussy wall. Yes.
Stars. Me no really par with no Jamaicans. Cause most of them pussy they are haters.
True.
Anyway, me live in a New York Queens. And me still a wear my clocks and cut off jeans. And me still a get girl by all means. Me get a job at one store named Walgreens.
Blood clot. 9 to 5 the G go. Nothing wrong with 9 to 5 a foreign. I'm not no pussy talk down to you. I your legal job a foreign. I want to some boy. Big up myself, J Blunt. I could drop it again, man. Listen to me, guys. That one I go pin down in the comment section, dog. That one as you go in the comment section, at the first comment you see pin at this. Go check it out now, man. Without me talking over it, man. Cause I like a story.
I want to do a tune about foreign.
I like a story, dog. Talent.
Something like, In a foreign, it hard to survive with one job. Ask my granddad. Bills of it like sandbox. So if you call and beg, we a thing. And we tell you we not have it. No go talk about
wait and bad.
Foreign not easy.
Foreign hard.
That bad still, you know.
Yeah, that's why you're right, bad too.
Like more something different still. Like more write a letter or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This bad. Me like this. Yeah, Jamaica. New ruler. Music, make myself again.
Do that one.
Big up myself, new ruler. Big up myself. J Blood. Why?
One piece of paper. Alright.
Yeah, you want something for press pan too? You want a pen? Alright, ready.
Dear Jamaica, more you know me never leave you. Me come a foreign at the time because me need to. Make a way for my family and me see too. But while me over here, you know a couple girl a breathe too. So me married and I try get my papers. Me never come here for ton time wasters. Me no really par with no Jamaicans. Cause most of them pussy they are haters. Anyway, me live in a New York Queens. And me still a wear my clocks and cut off jeans. And me still a get girl by all means. Me get a job at one store named Walgreens. Me a work and a save and a parent. Me and a Asian girl share a basement. Every night she bring in her man them. But me no mind, me bring in for me girl them.
Yeah. As you know, New York have whole heap of basement. I mean, always hear people. I've never been to America, but I always hear people talk about the basement. Them and how them stay. And the boss no business. The boss a make it work. Him a one Asian girl a share the basement. She a bring in her man. Them, not man, no. Man, them. Girl, your money. Oh, your money, so. And him a bring in fame girl, them. Oh, you mean, girl, man, fi have enough girl like girl in the bungle. Hypocritical of me. She can't have enough man, but him can't have enough girl. Yeah, that's how we stay.
One name Walgreens. Me a work and a save and a parent. Me and a Asian girl share a basement. Every night she bring in her man them. But me no mind, me bring in for me girl them.
Yeah.
Me still a fuck me lyrics and me flow them.
Yeah.
And me still a mash up the stage show them.
Yeah.
Me have a few big tune in a foreign right now. Everywhere me go people know them. But me never know a suffering real hard.
Yeah.
Enough man a live like real dog. Sometime me regret how me leave yard. Me just a pray so me get the liquor green card. But me still not make no girl style me.
No.
My reputation no girl can spoil it.
No.
You see that face that no girl can ride it. No girl can piss up in a this light no toilet.
I'm telling you something, man. You see when time some of them women have the upper hand, when them have the angle of the knife and you have the blade in your hand, upper hand, and blood clot double rhyme. You see when that a go on, them gonna take advantage of you. Especially when you're in a foreign country, them take advantage of you because them know say you depend on them to get a paper. Sometimes they say, oh, fuck off! Suck all yourself to and just walk out left far, brother. Yeah, don't make no girl style, brother. You see me? Wall out.
Spoily, you see that face that no girl can ride.
Wall out!
But me never know a suffering real hard. Make enough man a live like real dog. Sometime me regret how me leave yard. Me just a pray so me get the liquor green card.
About the green card too. You see if you forward a foreign and have a company around you with don't have no green card or don't have no legal status in the country, and the same thing I got happen to you. So try and people, me talk to you now. Try and associate yourself, big word, associate. Try and associate yourself with people who have them papers sorted out and can help you, and can advise you, tell you which number to call, tell you who to go check. Yeah, just try. Don't hang around people who not going with nothing. As them deport Gambakaya, not even a banana tree root. So I say, buying food no blood clot, buying food no.
But me still not make no girl style me. My reputation no girl can spoil me. You see that face that no girl can ride it. No girl can piss up in a this light no toilet.
No.
And that's how it a go stay till me eye lock. Ride wish face, y'all have to ride cock.
No.
You see my back, no guy can climb that. No boy can batty up this, no matter try that.
One blood clot way. One way. Not a two way. No boy can bumbo clot and me put batty pan counter or brace. Brace your blood clot, all them shot ya. If I go back on me, I go bumbo clot and I'm ton camel and blood clot in mackerel. Nothing wrong.
Right cock. You see my back, no guy can climb that. No boy can batty up this, no matter try that.
Negative.
Me and no one of them yardy will licky. They get things from girls, some a lick the kitty. Some a turn fat, recall a dicky ricky. And I laugh kiki when them cocky shitty.
Yeah, man. Some of them fuck woman and man cocky shitty. And some of them girls know say on a man shit up to. Some of them know say on a man shit up to. And some of them pussy full of yeast infection and worry about different things. Go check out gynecologist, pussy pathologist.
kitty. Some a turn fat, recall a dicky ricky. And I laugh kiki when them cocky shitty. And me see them in a club or them a floss hard. And them nah say nothing go a ras yard. All some girl when me know where did maga. Rascal the whole of them girl they ass broad. Things tough enough but money.
Dr. Miami, ass broad, like the Broadway street.
They can make still. You can beat the system, but it takes skill. Me tell Jamaica, so me soon come back. Me just want make sure the thing set still. Me a easy, cause my time a coming up. Because the tune you a shot like a gun, you know. And the whole place that one you a go running up. Listen, I'm matting when me fly down, you know.
Man.
So me no want them to feel like me runway. Me just tired for drink porridge pan Sunday.
Yeah.
So none never did that go on for me down there. And God know me never want to take up that gun there.
Dumb buckler. 1, 2. 2 video not getting a 1, you know. That's why it's so long.
Yeah, man.
That's why the reaction so long. And 2 not getting a 1, man.
The letter. Sequel.
No part 2, sequel.
Me and none of them not equal.
None of them.
Yeah.
Ready?
Dear Jamaica, me feel for write one more letter. Me still in the new year, me still a go getter. Yeah. Life not so bad, but it still coulda better. Me still a write me tune them, me start flow better.
Yeah.
Couple hot girls start sex with me. Couple real G now start step with me.
Yeah.
When I remember the pineapple for the pum pum song me sing, it make they vex with me. Me have love star.
Who vex with you, G? Who vex with you?
Remember the pineapple for the pum pum song me sing, it make they vex with me. Me have.
How vex with him? Chat, comment section. If you don't know how vex with him, I don't know that song, you know. If you don't know that song, tell me in the comment section if you don't know the song. If you don't know it, tell me and tell me who vex with him.
Lobster. Kind funny still. Because the song them make a lot of money still. So it look like so she a go vex till she bust. Cause anywhere me go, me a go run it still. Cause me no feel me this sorry for no ask me. But me think say she should a do a contact me. Yeah, but me hear say she and her friend them a plan. But anyway them see me them a box me.
Box
me would advise them to do something more. Like open me head like I want my door. Because where me come from, we no run back stroke, rock foot. Yo, me nah say nothing more.
Big up Bumbaclaw Rockfoot. Big up. Yeah, man. Big up
Door. Because where me come from, we no run back stroke, rock foot. Yo, me nah say nothing more. Load that, me talk about my life now. Yeah. Me get my green car, things alright now.
Yeah.
And my kids them a grow. DeAndre a 10, Liam a 2, Logan a 5 now.
Yeah.
You remember the basement me live in, huh?
Yeah.
When me used to have the little small fridge, you know?
Yeah.
When me move out of that and get a big apartment. Oh, you mean after man and a beginner?
Well, on. You move out. So where the Asian girl, she still down there? She still down there or she gone? Because I know she must have ambition, you know. She still down there, my G.
Fridge, you know? When me move out of that and get a big apartment. Oh, you mean after man and a beginner?
No.
Man never come a foreign for waste time. When
No.
them a gyal want sample my waistline.
Waistline.
Just kick in the trouble. Make sure the base level and make them rock out on the baseline.
What?
Everything changed from me go viral. All me brethren gyal want to be my gyal.
No, don't go there, so. Don't go there, so. She not loyal, my G. Don't go there, so.
Yeah, me did know them day you woulda come and me alone locked down a fuck 5 gyal. Yeah, some artists in a New York, me come here come see them. And through me I get at a no now go and feed them. Them a bad mind me think that's why not healing me no give them. Them a try this me but me soon deal with them.
Yeah.
You know me now go make them draw me out.
No.
Touch me hot like fire, them want me out. Then again, me and them not in the same league. Them fi move and go with them punani mouth. Find them in now, but I waste the next line. Cause right now, I me find the best rhyme. Here I go and me a cut it to Jamaica. Take care around yourself till next time.
Oh, clad. Yo, new rule of music. Pick up a fucking self. J Blunt. Yo. Hey. Yo, me love storyline, brother. If you don't love storyline, dog, that one a pin. That one a pin in the chat. That one a pin in the chat if you don't love storyline. That one a bad. If that one a bad, drop in the comment section. Just drop bad. Just drop bad in the comment section. And remember, if you click on the link and go over my channel. Yo, this bad. Jay, this bad. Blood cloud. Where Patchy there? We want Patchy now. We want Patchy. You want to update on the kids them. We want to update on your life. We want to update on what go on, what kind of job. Because you left Walgreens now. We want to update, you know. We want the next story. If you want the next story, say story. Blood cloud. Let me know what you guys think about this one, though. Don't get 2 songs in one. That's what the thing is. 14 minutes long. Let me know what you guys think. J Block, big up yourself. New Ruler, big up yourself. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Young King attack again in a J Prince. I'm represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.